Today I'm going to show you how to do a right twist in your knitting. You can do this as a texture straight up, or you can do this cute little slant. So let's get started. Okay, before I show you how to do this, I want to show you where to stop in case you're doing this sort of slant in your knitting. So you see where the slant meets this stitch that's still on the needle. You want to take that one and the one right before it when we're doing this stitch. So let's get to that point. And then when we have those two stitches ready, the one above the slant and the one right before it, we're going to go in through both of those like we're going to knit them together. And then you knit and don't take it off the needle. Put your needle back in through that first stitch, knit that one, and take it through just that one, and then take them both off the needle. And that is how you do the right slant.